Welcome to SADX, Episode 2, Cambridge Lower Secondary Mathematics Learners Book 7, Number Exercise 1.4, Highest Common Factors. Last video we have seen 1 to 4. Episode 1, 1 to 4 we completed. This video we will start episode 2 and we try to finish 5 to 7. 5 to 7. Let's start. Number 5a. Here we will find out the highest common factors of 18 and 24, 19 and 25, 20 and 26 and 21 and 28. So first number A, 18 and 24. So this one 18 and 24. First we have to find out the factors of 18. So 18 we can write 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6. This is enough. So factors are what? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Next 24. So here factors is 1 times 12, 2 times 1 times 24, right? 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. So factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So HCF 18 and 24 equals to, which one is the highest common factor? Here common factor is 1, 2, 3, 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 6. So 6 is the highest. So our answer is 6. Now 19 and 25. 5b. 19 and 25. So first we have to find out 19 factors. 19 factors is 1 and 19. Because 19 is a prime number, so here is 2 factors, 1 and itself. 25, this one is 1, 5 and 25, right? So what is the highest common factor? Look, 19 and 25 is a co-prime number, so here is only one factors is, so here is not multiplication, here is comma. So the common factor is 1. Okay, 19 and 25 is a co-prime number, so highest common factor is 1. HCF 19, 25, 1. Okay, so A and B done. Then C. C, here is 20 and 26. 20. So 20 we can also find out factors. So 1 times 20, 2 times 10, then 3 is not possible, 4 times 5. So factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. And next one is 26. So 26, this one 1 times 26, 2 times 13. Okay, this is enough. So factors are what? 1, 2, 13, 26. So which one is the highest? 2 is a common factor. So we can write HCF 20 and 26 equals to 2. So number C done. Number D, 5D, we can write in here. 21 and 28. 21 is a 1, 3, 7 and 21, right? And 28, the common factor is first 1, then 2, 3 not possible, 4 possible, 7 possible, and finally what? 28. So HCF 21 and 28, which one is common? The highest common is what? 7, right? So our answer is 7. So number 5 done. Number 6A, find the highest common factors of 60 and 70. So first we have to find out the factors of 60. We can write 1 times 60, then 2 times 30, 3 times 20, 4 times 15, 5 times 12, 6 times 10, 7, 8 not possible, 10 already wrote. So here is factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60, right? So 60 done. Now 70. This one first, 1 times 70 is a 70, 2 times 35, 3 is not possible, 4 does it possible? 70 divide 4, 70 divide 4 is not possible. So 4 is not possible, 5 is possible. So 5 times 14, 6 is not possible, 7 times 10 is a 70, then 8, 9, 10 already wrote. So now we can write factors are 1, 2, 5, 7, 10, 14, 35 and 70. So HCF 60 and 70 equals to, which one is the common? Here common is 1, 2, then 5, then 10. So 1, 2, 5, 10 is a common. So highest common factor is 10, right? 10 is a highest one. So 6A done. Now 6B. 60 and what? 60 and 80. 60 we have already find out the factors. So 60 we can write 60 factors are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. Now we will find out factors of 80. 80 we can write 1 times 80, 2 times 40, 3 is not possible, 4 times 20, then 5 times 16, 6 is not possible, 7 also not, 7, 8 times 10, 9, 10 already done. So we can write, so factors, what factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 16, 20, oh sorry, also 10, 5, 8, 10. This one I missed. So 5, 8, 10, then 16, 20, 40, 80. So HCF of 60 and 80 equals to, which one is the highest? Look, first common thing is 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 5, 10, 10, then 20. Here is also 20. 20 is the highest factors. Done. 6AB done. Now 6C. 6C, 60 and 90. So 60 factors are this one. Now 90. 90 we can write 1 times 90, 2 times 45, 3 times 30, 4 is not possible, 5 times 16, then not 16, 5 times 18, 18, then 6 times 15, 7 is not possible, 8 also not possible, 8, 9, 9 possible, 9 times 10, so I think it's enough. 11 is not possible, 12, 13, 14, 15 already written this one. So 90 factors are what? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 15, 18, 30, 45 and 90. So which one is the highest factor? HCF 60 and 90 equals to what? So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, then 10, here is 10, 15, 15, 20, here is 30, 30. So the answer is 30, which is the highest common factor of 60 and 90. So number 6 done. 7A. Find the highest common factor of 35 and 56. So 35 common factor is 1, then what? 5, 7, 35, right? And what about 56? 56, like 1 times 56, 2 times 28, 3 is not possible, 4 is possible, 4 times 14, 5, 6, 6 is not possible, 7, 8, 7 is possible, 7 times 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is possible. So 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. So what is the HCF? HCF of 35 and 56 equals to 7. This is common factor and also highest common factor. Now number 7B. here mention use your answers to part A to simplify the fraction 35 by 56 as much as possible. So we will simplify. So this is 35 and by 56. So which one is the highest common factor? 7. So once we divide both sides by 7, so here is 5 times 7 is a 35. So 5, and 5 times 7 times 8 is a what? 56. So 35 and 56, once we divide by 7, we will get 5, and here is 8. Our answer is 5 by 8. Okay, so this is 7B done. A and B done.